This two-camera eufy security eufyCam E40 kit delivers crisp 2K video that makes it easy to recognize faces, license plates, and small details around your property. The built-in solar panels keep the cameras topped up with power so you can mount them outdoors and essentially forget about battery maintenance, even in less than ideal sunlight. Color night vision does a remarkably good job of preserving natural tones and usable detail after dark, which makes reviewing overnight events far more informative than standard black and white footage. The upgraded motion detection uses a passive infrared sensor to focus on people and real movement, cutting down on nuisance alerts from passing shadows or tree branches. Homebase 2 provides secure local storage so your recordings stay in your own home network and you are not forced into ongoing subscription fees to access your clips. Integration with major voice assistants and Apple smart home platforms makes it simple to arm, disarm, or pull up a live view on compatible screens without digging through an application.